Breaking mental barriers. Escaping the shackles of poverty. When discussing poverty, it is crucial to recognize that it is not just an economic predicament but also a lack of self-cultivation. This is why many families continue to struggle through generations or lack opportunities and awareness to cultivate self-improvement, thus failing to change their fate fundamentally. The frightening aspect of this situation is that if one does not develop the right mindset, they will struggle to thrive in society and integrate into their environment. This erroneous way of thinking alienates individuals from society and makes it difficult to adapt to societal changes and developments. So, how can one change this mindset? Firstly, we must let go of the incorrect habitual thinking patterns, including over-identification with poverty and neglecting self-improvement. By continuously learning and embracing new things, we can expand our horizons and seek opportunities for change. Secondly, to cultivate the right mindset, one must learn to reflect and question. When faced with problems, don't easily accept surface-level explanations but delve into the root causes. This critical thinking can help us find effective solutions. Additionally, self-cultivation requires taking responsibility for our actions and thoughts. Through continuous reflection and adjustment, we can gradually develop a more mature and rational way of thinking. This will help us better understand ourselves and others, thus integrating into society. Changing mindset is not an overnight process, requires time and effort, but it will bring significant benefits. By continuously enhancing self-cultivation, we can achieve greater success in personal life and career. Throughout this process, we must also be mindful of external influences. Support from society and family is crucial to personal development. If those around us can understand and support our efforts to change our mindset, our growth will be smoother. To break the mental barriers, we need to focus on key areas. Education is one of the critical factors in changing the fate of impoverished families. By providing more educational resources and opportunities, we can help the children of poor families achieve better development. This not only helps them change their own lives but also allows them to have more opportunities in the future. In addition to education, vocational training is another essential avenue for helping people break free from poverty. Through training and learning new skills, individuals can find better job opportunities in a competitive job market, improving their economic situation. Moreover, we must also pay attention to mental health. Poverty can lead to stress and anxiety, affecting one's decision-making and ability to act. Therefore, providing psychological support and resources is a crucial step in helping people escape poverty. At the societal level, we need to establish more support networks and community organizations to help poor families and individuals access necessary resources and guidance. These organizations can offer support in education, employment, mental health, and other areas, helping people overcome poverty. Furthermore, policymakers and governments should take proactive measures to address poverty. This includes providing more job opportunities, educational resources, and social welfare. These measures can fundamentally change the state of poverty, helping people achieve better lives. Ultimately, breaking mental barriers is not just for personal development but also for the progress of the entire society. When each of us can break free from the mental chains of poverty and possess the right mindset, our society will become more harmonious and prosperous. What measures are you willing to take to change your mindset? How will you help others escape the mental chains of poverty? These questions require deep thought and action. Through our collective effort, we can break mental barriers and create a more equitable and vibrant society.